Hi, I'm Kathy Murray with the Corcoran Group, and today we're at Penthouse East at 344 West 72nd Street. We're at the top of this iconic Beaux-Arts pre-war co-op that was built in the early 1900s. We're also at the base of Riverside Park, so it's as if the lush greenery and views of the river were put there just for our enjoyment. This 6-bedroom home is over 6,000 square feet of style and luxury, and I cannot wait to show you around. From the front door, you step into the great room. This is the heart of the home. And sitting here on this plush curved sofa, bathed in natural light through these oversized windows, you suddenly feel like you're in a Parisian atelier. C'est magnifique, no? I can't speak French, but in a place like this, I can't help but try. The room is styled with modern furniture that strikes a perfect balance between character, comfort, and sophistication. It is positively magazine-worthy. And these 12-foot tray ceilings, they bring major drama, adding volume, airiness, and a sense of grandeur. And with wall space like this, if you're an art collector, this is the perfect home for you. Just picture yourself hosting here. The dining table links the living area and the kitchen, creating a natural hub where people just want to gather. The dark marble reflects the natural light and these soft curves, encouraging easy flow and lingering conversations. And just look at that view of the George Washington Bridge. Now imagine it at night over a glass of Sancerre. Que romantique. While this kitchen is undeniably chic, it was built for a serious chef. And if you're not a cook, don't worry, this kitchen is also for you. After all, there is a 90-bottle wine fridge. Other details include marble island, backsplash, and countertops. There's also an 8-burner stove, convection oven, and 2 dishwashers. And for your morning coffee and croissants, there's a windowed breakfast nook that leads you to one of 2 private, expansive rooftop terraces. For quieter moments, there's this beautiful tucked-away study that feels private without being disconnected. It also has its own ensuite bathroom, which makes this space flexible for a 6th bedroom. But as it is right now, it's a perfect space for closing out that deal or unwinding with a book. Oh, and it also has direct access to the terrace for an easy indoor-outdoor flow. This is the kind of terrace that makes you say, ooh la la. It has plenty of space for an outdoor kitchen, a pergola, and multiple seating areas. And the timeless Upper West Side views, they never lose their charm. And let's just call upstairs the pièce de résistance, your own private rooftop with epic views. Now that we've seen the entertaining spaces, follow me downstairs. The primary suite feels less like a bedroom and more like its own private apartment. It has a dramatic layout, incredible scale, and let's not forget those views. The word oasis often gets overused, but this truly feels like one with its muted palette and soft, oversized furniture. Everything just encourages getting comfortable. There are also 2 walk-in closets and 2 beautifully appointed windowed bathrooms. I have been in many incredible spaces, and at this point in my career, it's difficult to surprise me. But this bedroom does. In fact, you could say that about the whole apartment. Thank you so much for joining me at this brand new, beautifully designed penthouse, set atop a true Upper West Side landmark. Indoor-outdoor living like this in the city is a rarity. And the best part, it's never been lived in. I'll see you next time.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.